Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best ARC bicycle hub in this video? I will show you the top 3 best ARC bicycle hub to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more. To find out more information about these products, you can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected ARC 28 holes for Boost MTB hub. Specifications: brand name ARC, size 148mm, number of holes 28 holes, axle Boost, free hub Ms position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, spoke hole 29 to 36, material aluminum alloy, weight 427 grams plus 5 grams. The item number 2 is ARC 009 Boost Hub. Specifications: brand name ARC, axle Boost, free hub Ms position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, spoke hole 29 to 36, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub, hub hole number 32 holes, free hub body HG/XD/Ms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have ARC Boost Hub. Specifications: brand name ARC, size 148mm, axle Boost, position front plus rear, braking system disc brake, spoke hole 29 to 36, material aluminum alloy, category bearing hub, weight 427 grams plus 5 grams, color black, free hub body HG/XD/Ms.